You can turn any regular product photo into a professional commercial photo like this, or transform any picture into a stylish professional photo like this easily with just one app, and it's completely free. First, open the ImageGuru app and you will see various categories to explore. For example, if you want to create commercial or food product, I will choose the product. I'll choose the potato sample. Then click generate. Within just few seconds, the prompt is ready to use. Next, click copy prompt, then open Gemini. Inside Gemini, paste the prompt and add your photo. Then click enter. In just few seconds, your professional commercial image is ready. You can download it and check the quality. For profile photos or any other image, follow the same step. Generate image, copy the prompt and paste. This app also has a prompt extractor feature. Just click on Gemini, upload your image, and after a brief ad, it will generate the prompt you can immediately use for your image. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed the video and you want to download the app, I will link the app to my description. Thanks for watching.